Probably the best example of that is this, maybe ATM machines in the United States. When they rolled out in the 80s, every bank teller in America were completely against the rolling out of these ATMs. They said, that's what our job is. We're going to lose all our jobs. And we give withdrawals, we take deposits, and if that machine does it now, what are we going to do? What's happened since the ATM has been released? There's more jobs now as teller jobs in America than ever before. And the reason why is because the average bank needed 30 employees to run before ATMs. Now that got reduced to 13. So therefore, they put more pitches out. So if anyone lives here in America here through the 80s, you would notice that in the 80s, it took 20 minutes to drive to a bank. Now there's one every other corner. And that's because they got rolled out. So not only did their jobs increase, their pay increased because their actual job description was changed. Instead of just giving withdrawals and deposits, they became more relationship with small business owners. So their skill went up, their average pay went up as well. This is an effect in economics. They have a theory. It's called the lump of labor fallacy, which is what played out for the ATMs. And I think it's ultimately what's going to play out with injecting AI into creative storytelling.